guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Di here. So yesterday I actually started on my living room area. So I know those of you who've obviously been following me from kind of a few videos earlier saw that my living room was actually practically empty. So what we did was I actually wanted to just refresh the living room area and just kind of give it a new vibe in there, because ultimately the couches that we had, they were kind of like a little bit old. We've had them over like 5 years and they were brown, and I'll definitely post up some pictures so that you guys can see. But yeah, we just decided to revamp them. And yeah, so I'm gonna do my living room, and I'm gonna do obviously the makeover, and I'm gonna take you through the stages so that you obviously can see exactly how we came to certain phases of the living room being done. So anyway, here goes. I'm gonna turn the camera so that you can obviously see, and I'll explain in detail what exactly we are going to be doing. Let me just focus this in nicely. So these ones over here, I actually want to get them professionally cleaned as well, but yeah, that we will do at a later stage. So let me just open this curtain over here. So yeah, these curtains need to be washed. And then this faux plant over here, as you can see, it's quite big, but I need to get a planter so that we can just kind of elevate it slightly, and then yeah, ultimately it's going to be standing in a planter here on the side of the sofa. So just to give you like a bit of a glimpse, basically we did actually get the couch redone, and this is pretty much what it's looking like at the moment. And there's little Ash. Okay, he's on his earphones, so you can't even hear me, but he's, as you can see, he's dancing away there. Hello, Ash. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. As you can see, that is what the couch is currently looking like. So this side of the floor is actually clean, so obviously I just need to sweep a bit and just continue that, and this side I need to add onto this side over here, but yeah, let me get started so that you can see how things are panning out. So guys, as you can see, I'm in a really good mood. I always enjoy it when I'm cleaning, or when I'm doing something that obviously is uplifting the house. So yeah, you'll see me doing a little jig, doing a little dance. Yeah, sometimes I just enjoy listening to music when I'm cleaning. guys, this is currently what the living room is looking like. So as you guys can see, there is a damp stain. So I did take a damp cloth because there was dirty stain on the couch, but that will dry eventually. As you saw, I did clean yesterday. Clean the floors, put the couches together. So what I'm about to do, obviously I need to clean this window over here, and then I'm going to replace the lace curtain. Guys, I did spray some of this linen spray on my couches, and OMG, this spray is amazing. Like, my couches smell fabulous, so I would recommend it. I did get it from At Home. It is the White Orchid and Ginger scent. Hey guys, so yeah, this is the next day, and yeah, I just thought that I would bring you along. I want to make some scones. So yeah, we're just about to make some scones for the evening, and yeah, I thought you guys would enjoy making it with us. So I've got my ingredients here, guys. Today I'm going to take a little bit of shortcuts. That's why I got this scone mix. I think it was from Pick n Pay. So it's just the Snowflake easy mix, scone mix. Says it makes 12 regular scones. So that's what I'm going to be using. And then it needs 2 eggs, needs some milk, and we need some oil as well. So I've got my 2 bowls over here. So let's get started. guys enjoyed that, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'd love to hear from you guys. So yeah, hope everyone has a good night, and I'm gonna literally enjoy my scone. So I mean, they came out so good. So yeah, it looks amazing. That is a good scone. Anyway guys, take it easy. See you in the next one. Bye.